We handle drug crimes that occur in county court, in state court, and we also handle federal drug crimes. The consequences of being convicted here in Arizona can be very severe, whether we're talking about a drug crime, whether we're talking about simple possession, or we're talking about possession for sale. The consequences can be very severe. Mainly what we're talking about is what is the quantity of drugs that you have is going to govern the severity from probation all the way to long incarceration. We're mainly dealing with what prior felonies, if a person has, and what's the quantity of the drug that they possess. Addiction plays a big part in seeking the result in the case for the person charged with a drug crime. For instance, if you can get the person some help, then that becomes part of the punishment, but also will help them long term, because addiction feeds a whole lot of other crimes, not just drug crimes, but it may feed their own habit, the drug crime, but it also feeds other crimes in trying to feed the addiction. So that's a problem that you're trying to help the person with the source of the problem, which is the addiction. The reason that I think Brown, Lamey, and Tate does a unique job in representing people that are charged with drug crimes, this is where experience comes in, and we have a wide variety of experience with drug crimes in the firm. That is going to be knowing the resources that are available to help persons is going to matter a lot. But also the nuts and bolts mechanics in how the police, how they approach drug crimes, how prosecutors approach drug crimes. Having that experience in that area is going to play a large part in the representation the person receives. One of the three partners will always be handling your case personally. We offer free consultations when it comes to a person being charged with drug crimes, because the facts of how the incident took place is so important to what the end result of the representation is going to be, that we need to sit down in a consultation, find out what happened so that we can help the person.